ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఒక చిన్న అవకాశం, మీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ని బట్టి ఎవరైతే ప్రైజ్ విన్నర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా వచ్చి ఒకరు వాళ్ళ పేపర్ చదివి చెప్పగలుగుతారా? వాళ్ళు రాసిందే, వేరే కొత్తది కాదు, ప్రైజ్ విన్నర్స్ మాత్రం, మిగతా వాళ్ళు పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ కాదు. ఒకరి తర్వాత ఒకరు రండి వచ్చేసి. ఎందుకు చదివి వినిపిస్తున్నాం అంటే, వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది వాళ్ళకి, వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే కవర్ చేసిన పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఆ పాయింట్స్ మిగతా వాళ్ళకి తెలియాలి కాబట్టి.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Sunita from 10th standard and I'm studying in St. Maria High School. So my topic was about victory of Ma Durga over Mahishasura. Dasara is a significant festival in Hinduism. It quotes the power and protection of goddesses Ma Durga. We celebrate Dasara due to the death of Mahishasura done by Ma Durga. Mahishasura was a demon who pleased Lord Brahma for over thousands of years to receive the blessing he pleased for. After looking at his devotion for over 1,000 years, Lord Brahma gave his darshan by saying, "Tell me child, what you want. I am very happy by having a devotee like you." Then Mahishasura replies, "I don't want anything. Just I want a blessing from you that no man or God would be able to kill me." By looking at the spark of Mahishasura in his eyes, Lord Brahma was unable to neglect it. So Lord Brahma passes the blessing which Mahishasura demanded. Lord Brahma didn't have any clue that what Mahishasura is going to do with that superpower. Mahishasura goes to heaven and chases the whole kingdom of heaven, where all gods leave the kingdom and reach out by being worried. In that moment, Mahishasura became an unkillable demon who didn't have a date of death. He disturbed the whole earth with his action. In this moment, where all gods were chased out, Lord Indra was among them. Lord Indra goes to Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva with a complaint of what Mahishasura had done. Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva were confused because there was a terrible moment going on. At that moment, there was a glow of a bright light which was looking mesmerizing. Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva emerges their power to the light where the beginning of Ma Durga formation occurred. A woman with 3 eyes, 10 hands. All the God understands that she is the only born to save us and everyone. Who is going to bring victory or victory good over the ill. Each God provides their power to Ma Durga by offering a material like Lord Vishnu offers Sudarshana Chakra, Lord Brahma offers a lotus, Lord Shiva offers Trishul. Its same goes on until 10 hands get filled. Later on the war had begun in between Ma Durga along with her Vahan lion opposing Mahishasura. The war and fight between them continues up to 9 days, including 9 nights. At the 10th day, there was a victory of Ma Durga over Mahishasura. Ma Durga defeats Mahishasura. The 10th day is said to be Vijayadashami because the day of victory where Ma Durga goes back with the battle, she won. So on that day, the idol of Ma Durga is immersed in the respective water places. Hence Ma Durga is also known with the name of Mahishasura Vardhini. When Mahishasura is the demon, Vardhini means killed by her or she. As none of the gods had the power to defeat, the goddess Ma Durga had done. In Hinduism, Ma Durga is presented with 9 different avatars with 9 different names including Saptami, Ashtami, Navami. In different states of India, it is celebrated in different ways. Dussehra in Telangana, Durga Puja in West Bengal, Navratri in Gujarat. The forms are different, but the goddess is one, who belongs in everyone's heart. In these days, in between, the girls are offered with food, cosmetics as Kanya Bhog. The girl children are seen as the other form of Ma Durga, through which we can understand the empower of a woman in Hinduism. In Telangana, Dasara is signified with the Batkama celebration. The victory of God or evil wins always is provided by Ma Durga. It represents the culture of Hinduism. By this festival, we recollect the thought that all women have the empower to protect themselves and their family. They are eligible and capable to do.
అందరూ జై భవాని అనండి. జై జై భవాని, జై భవాని, జై జై భవాని. చాలా బాగా చెప్పింది. అంటే రాయడంతో పాటు తన స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ లేకుండా అందరికన్నా ముందు వచ్చి చెప్పింది కాబట్టి ఈ నినాదం ఇప్పించిన. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning everyone, Master Shreya from Sri Chaitanya Techno School. Today I am here to say about the significance of Vijayadashmi. So, Dashera is celebrated in our country, India. It marks the day on which Lord Rama had defeated Ravana, the demon king of Sri Lanka. This celebration is to remember that good and holy always win over evil. The members of the families dress up and come together on Dashera to spend time with each other by eating good food and watching fireworks. Victory over Dharma over Adharma. Lord Rama victory over Ravana and Goddess Durga victory over Mahishasura. Traditions, Durga Puja, Kanya Puja, worships of girls as Devi Swarup. In Telangana, there will be Durga Visarjan, Batkama, Shastri Pujan, etc. Dashera is celebrated across the country. Truth always trumps Shakti Devi. World is created by Almighty God. God always prevails over evil. Whenever evil rises, it is crushed by God's action. God assures us that no matter how powerful the evil forces are, good people always be victorious in long run. It is celebrated on the 10th day of Ashwini month of the Hindu calendar. Lord Rama is said to have killed Ravana, the demon king of Sri Lanka. Ravana had abducted Sri Ram's wife Sita and kept captive for many years. Ravana is one of the most powerful person and possessed many heads. There is much fanfare and enthusiasm among people. In North India, the effigies of Ravana burn publicly in parks and grounds at events Ram Leela. Also, the effigies of Ravana's brother Kumbhakarna are also burned. Good always prevails over evil can be also written as the goddess Durga, which commemorates the goddess Durga victory over buffalo demon Mahishasura. As in India of east sides like Odisha, Bengal and part of the Bihar, people immerse the idol of goddess Durga in water. In many parts of the India, in the occasion of Dashera, the play Ram Leela as the actors for several days on continuity of ends of Diwali. The day when Lord Rama returned to his city Ayodhya, in our country, India will do Shastra Puja, Aparajita Puja and the Seema Avalangam. In the incursion of the internet, the celebration and the enjoyment are keep on declining. So there is a responsibility of people to preserve it, safeguard it. Like how Ma Durga has safeguard from righteousness at Navratri, there will be 9 days of celebration with different swarup of Devis with different colors each day. Celebration is the special place where the people gather together and spend time with each other. We will go to temples wearing new clothes and pray them. We will take well wishes from gods. Also, we will puja the weapons as they are Durga Mata's Hathiyar. We will burn all the negative from the house. Thank you.
She has a fabulous handwriting and also skills of the speaking. For her, Jai Bhavani, Jai Jai Bhavani.
Jai Bhavani, Jai Jai Bhavani.
Jai Bhavani, Jai Jai Bhavani. Jai Bhavani, Jai Jai Bhavani. धन्यवाद आपको, आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से बोला. आपका जो इंग्लिश का फ्लुएंसी बहुत अच्छा है, जैसा हैंडराइटिंग है वैसी आपका है. ठीक है, इसे आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए. ठीक है, धन्यवाद.
Good morning everyone, I am Janvi of Sri Sai Group of Schools. I am going to learn what I wrote about the Vijayadashmi. Dashera is celebrated in our country, India. It marks the day on which the Lord Ram defeated Ravana. The day when Lord Ram returns his home is celebrated as a cultural program in our India, when the whole India celebrates Dashera. Some people put Durga Mata statue in their home. They prepare different types of food for Mata. Dashera is also called as Navratri in India. People keep fasting for 9 days for Mata. Hence, if it's called as Navratri, people play dance called Garba. Firstly, we do puja of Mata. Then we play Garba and Dandiya. These days we follow some rules for Durga Mata. At the last day of Navratri, we burn the statue of Ravana as Lord Ram killed Ravana. Ravan was an Asur who kidnapped Sita Mata, who was wife of Lord Ram. He also took Sri Lanka, Sita Mata to Sri Lanka. After many days, Sri Ram went to Sri Lanka where Ravan used to live there. Sri Ram went with Lakshman, who was his brother, and Hanuman Sena. They burned Sri Lanka and Sita Mata took Sita Mata to their home return. Sri Ram, Lakshman, and Sita Mata went for Vanvas. During Navratri, one day we celebrate Kanya Puja also. In Kanya Puja, girls go to others' home where people wash their feet, do their puja and give food to them. In India, girls are seen as Mata, where people respect girls. Dussehra is the biggest festival in our India. During Navratri, people enjoy a lot. People spend their own time peacefully with family. These 9 days are the magical days for people. Navratri is our cultural program which is celebrated for so many years. Indians respect our Indian culture and tradition. So many people follow our culture and tradition, even international people also. In India, Navratri and Diwali are the biggest festivals. These festivals are very enjoyable and peaceful. Navratri is a colorful festival. There is a tradition of wearing 9 colors costumes or dresses on 9 days. People wear colorful dresses on these days. In many places, countries in India is famous for our tradition and culture. India is country of equality. So many people live in India following their own tradition and culture. People love celebrating Navratri. We assume Dussehra 9 days as golden days. Women wear colorful sarees and men wear colorful kurtas and costumes. During these days, many wear our tradition dress called Chanya Choli. Dussehra is memory of Indian history. Lord Ram was a simple and brave one. Lord Ram's father was Dasharathi Maharaj. Sri Ram used to live in Ayodhya. Sri Ram looked simple, but he was a brave person. Ravana had so many faces. No one could dare to face Ravana. Dussehra festival is also known as History of India. Sri Ram was the Swarup of Lord Vishnu. He was born to kill Ravana. This is also called as Shubh Muhurat. People buy new things on this day. We also do the puja of weapons, books and puja of Saraswati Mata. Thank you.
जय भवानी जय जय भवानी
जय भवानी जय जय भवानी
जय भवानी जय जय भवानी
जय भवानी जय जय भवानी।
आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से बोला, शांति से बोला, डरना नहीं। थोड़ा सा डर है आपके मन में, वो डर निकाल देना।
I'm Vishnu of 10th grade from Mission Maya High School. Today I am here to say about significance of Vijayadashami. Vijayadashami is mostly celebrated in the months of September and October on the 10th day of Shukla Paksham. The word Vijaya means victory and the Dashami means 10 days of Ashtami. Vijayadashami is celebrated for courage and truth. This celebrated for 2 reasons. First one, Lord Rama killed the demon king Ravana who had kidnapped Mata Sita, and another reason is goddess Durga Mata had killed the demon called Mahishasur. The battle fought for 9 days and nights. On the 10th day, Mata killed him. These 2 incidents come from Ramayana and Markandeya Puran. The reasons for celebrating Vijayadashami are to get righteousness, truth, always supporting to Dharma, and for defeating the evil thoughts and deeds. This is our history of our country Bharat, and the victory of the truth and goodness teach us to live, to always be to the right path. So we should always be a part of truth. The before 9 days of Vijayadashami are celebrated as Navratri, and in this Navratri the goddess is worshipped in 9 avatars such as Bala Tripura Sundari, Annapurna Devi, Saraswati Mata, etc. In these 9 days the temples are decorated according to the Mata's avatar. In these 9 days so many people will be fasting and they pray to Durga Mata for courage and to solve their problems. In conclusion, I want to say that this festival is celebrated in joyful manner and celebrated for hope, courage, bravery to fight against to the evil powers. This is celebrated more in the states of West Bengal, Orissa, and etc. Most people say Jai Mataji during these 9 days for getting courage all the time. The streets and roads are decorated and make this festival a big festival. This festival also bring the houses a new vibe and beautiful colors and giving of sweets and be fasting is common and all Hindus celebrate together. Thank you.
గుడ్. అందువల్లనే తనకి ఎక్సలెన్స్ ఇచ్చాం. అంటే షార్ట్ రాసిండు కానీ కవర్ చేయాల్సిన పాయింట్స్ అన్ని కవర్ చేసిండు. వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎలాబరేట్ చేసిరు, అది తప్పని అంటలేదు. కానీ షార్ట్లో ఏదో మెసేజ్ కరెక్ట్గా ప్రాపర్గా ఇవ్వాలి, అది ప్రాపర్గా ఇచ్చిండు. అందువల్లనే ఎక్సలెన్స్ ఇచ్చినాం. గుడ్. జై భవానీ, वीर शिवाजी, जय भवानी, वीर शिवाजी.
Myself A. Pallavi. I am studying in 10th. I am from Seaside Grammar High School. Today my topic.
మీ టెన్షన్ తెలుస్తుంది, టెన్షన్ పడదు. అంటే స్పీచ్కి ఏం ప్రైజ్ లేదు, స్పీచ్కి ఏం మేము కామెంట్స్ ఇవ్వము, కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ మాత్రం ఇస్తాం.
Today my topic is Vijayadashami. The Dashera is called
పర్లేదు ప్రశాంతంగా.
The Dasara is also called as Vijayadashami. It is celebrated by the Hindu people every year. The fifth every year of September or October. For all over the countries, the Lord Rama got victory by killing the demon king Ravana. All will celebrate the victory of Rama. The Ravana was kidnapped the Sita. The Lakshmana was cut the nose of sister of the demon king Ravana. That's why the Ravana was kidnapped the Lord Rama's wife Sita. While Apaharna of Sita, the Lord Rama was felt very sad about Sita. The Lord Rama went to all places to find the Sita, but Lord Rama could not find the Sita. The Maruti was saw the Lord Rama and Lakshmana. He went to his kingdom and he told the Lord Rama and Lakshmana came to forest. The Sugriva was his big brother Vali was sent the Rama and Lakshmana to they are from Ayodhya. They are big fighters. The Maruti went to Lord Rama with his and Maruti was asked themselves. The Lord Rama was said he exchanged from his kingdom of Ayodhya. For 40 years, this is last year. To escape, the Ravana was kidnapped his wife Sita. Jatayu said me, I am finding the Sita. I could not find the Sita. You can help me to find the Sita. The Maruti sent the Lord Rama to come to his kingdom. That they went to his kingdom. The Sugriva was welcomed the Lord Rama and Sugriva introduced himself and his problems. The Lord Rama was asked him, what is your problem? That his big brother Vali will want to kill the Sugriva. In the certain time, the Mayavi was invited the Vali to fight with the Mayavi, and the Vali was fighted with Mayavi for so many years. His brother Sugriva was standing outside of the cave. The one day Sugriva saw the blood he was thinking that his brother Vali was dead. He closed the cave and he went back to kingdom. He said his big brother Vali was killed by Mayavi. Thus Sugriva became king of the kingdom.
After so
After-
many days,
After so many days, the Vali was when
with his kingdom,
his kingdom, the Sugriva saw the Vali want to kill the Sugriva. Sugriva came to Kishkinder. The Vali was not came to Kishkinder. The Vali was married his wife. The Lord Rama was helped Sugriva to kill Vali and in the
first fight.
first fight the Lord Rama was confronting who is Sugriva and who is Vali. The Sugriva asked him, why did you not kill the Vali? The Lord Rama said he was confused. The Lord Rama was given the Sugriva flowers and Lord Rama was killed the Vali and Sugriva finds Sita with the help of Maruti. The Ravana was killed. That's the Dasara special.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అంటే తన ధైర్యం చేసి వచ్చింది కానీ లోపల నుండి వణుకుతుంది, కాళ్ళు చేతులు మొత్తం ఆమె షివరింగ్ అవుతుంది ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలంటే. అంటే ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆమెకి కాబట్టి అట్లా అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ టైంకి ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోతుంది ఝాన్సీ రాణి లాగా. అంతేనా? ఝాన్సీ రాణి లాగా వెళ్తాం. జై భవానీ, జై జై భవానీ. वो काटवा पेन दो भाई, क्यों तो हम विनर बोलकर लोगों को पता
Now,
चलता है.
Bhenmara High School. My topic was about significance of Vijayadashmi. Vijayadashmi is not just a festival, it is a victory of Lord Rama over Ravanasura and victory of Durga Goddess over Mahishasura. It is the 10th day of Dasara festival on which Lord Rama killed Ravanasura. It is a victory of good over evil and victory of good over bad. This is one of the most important and significant festivals in our Hindu culture, which not only helps us to follow the truth, but also reminds us to be more stronger to face any kind of situation without being afraid. It is a festival in which people with true devotion worship Goddess Durga and her 9 sons. It is celebrated all over the India with lot of joyfulness and spirituality. On Vijayadashmi, Goddess Durga kills Mahishasura to prove that truth always wins over bad, and it also represents our female power and Nari Shakti. Vijayadashmi not only teaches us good and bad, but also reminds us to be truthful and devotional, which makes us stronger enough to be successful at any situation. It is a festival which tells us the greatness of our culture and encourages us to follow our culture. When the Lord Rama killed Ravanasura, it is a symbol for us and for our culture, and states that being truthful and honesty always brings us victory. On Vijayadashmi, people always make Ravanasura idols and burn them all over India to mark the greatness of Lord Rama. People celebrate this by burning crackers and with lots of joy and happiness. Whereas the Lord Durga killed Mahishasura, and as he was threatening everyone and was spreading negativity, by killing him, Lord Durga made everyone to believe that bad always ends and the truth always wins and continues. Because of this, people always worship her to take her blessings and pray her to show the right path and to get succeed. Hence, Vijayadashmi is an important festival which spreads spirituality, joy and happiness. and also make us to believe that truth always wins, negativity always loses. It is one of the remarkable festival which represents our culture.
తన దగ్గర డీర్ బాగుంది, ఫ్లూయెన్సీలో చాలా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చాలా బాగుంది. సమజ్నా హిందీ బోలు తెలుగు వచ్చారు ఓకే. అయితే ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చాలా బాగా చెప్పింది, అంటే ఫ్లూయెన్సీగా బాగుంది. కాకపోతే రావడానికి ముందు తన నాకు పిలవకపోతే బాగుండే అని చెప్పి దేవుడికి దుఃఖిద్దాడు. సత్యగే బాగుంది. జై భవానీ, జై జై భవానీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. లాస్ట్ ఒకరికి ఉంది ఛాన్స్.
Myself Vishnuvardan, I am studying in 10th grade. Today I am come from Sangam School. I am telling about Durga Mata
విజయదశమి.
Vijayadashmi. Significance of Vijayadashmi. విజయదశమి మన దేశంలో 9 రోజులు జరుపుకుంటాము. ఈ 9 రోజులు దుర్గామాతకి పూజలు చేస్తాము. మనం విజయదశమి అసలు ఎందుకు జరుపుకుంటాము? పురాణ గ్రంథాలు విజయదశమి గురించి చాలా వివరంగా చెప్పారు. పురాణ కాలంలో ఒక రాక్షసుడు పుట్టాడు. అతని పేరు మహిషాసురుడు. అతను బ్రహ్మదేవుడి తపస్సు చేశాడు. అతనికి చావు ఉండకూడదని అనుకున్నాడు. అతనిని ఎవరైనా చంపకూడదని అనుకున్నాడు. ఒకవేళ చంపితే ఒక్క రక్తపు బొట్టు నేలపై పడి అతను మళ్ళీ జన్మిస్తాడు అని వరం కోరుకుంటాడు. అలా వరం కోరుకొని అతను భూమిపై వెళ్ళి మనుషులను హింసించాడు. ఆ హింసను తట్టుకోలేక ప్రజలందరూ బ్రహ్మదేవుడి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చెప్పారు. బ్రహ్మదేవుడు శివుడు అలాగే పార్వతీ మాత దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చెప్తారు. పార్వతీ మాత చాలా కోపం వస్తుంది. మాత వెంటనే భూమిపై కాళికా మాత రూపంలో వెళ్ళి మహిషాసురుని చంపడానికి వెళ్తుంది. అప్పుడే మహిషాసురుడు గట్టిగా నవ్వుతాడు. అతను అనుకుంటాడు, ఒక అమ్మాయి నన్ను చంపగలదా అని. అప్పుడే దుర్గామాతకి కోపం వచ్చి మాత మహిషాసురుడితోనే చాలా పెద్ద యుద్ధం జరుగుతుంది. అప్పుడు మాతకి ఆ ఆలోచన వస్తుంది, ఒక రక్తపు బొట్టు నేలపై పడితేనే ఇతను మళ్ళీ పుడుతున్నాడు, నేను ఆ రక్తాన్ని తాగిస్తాను అని. అప్పుడే మాత అతని తలని కోసి అతని రక్తము తాగుతుంది. అలా మహిషాసురుని వధిస్తుంది. మాత కోపం తగ్గలేదు. భూమిపై ప్రళయం వస్తుంది. శివుడు ఇది అంతా చూస్తూ మాత ముందుకు వెళ్ళి నేలపై పడుకుంటాడు. మాత శివుణ్ణి చూసి కోపం తగ్గుతుంది. ఇలా మహిషాసురుని చంపిన మాత పండుగ మనం జరుపుకుంటాము. శ్రీరాముడు రావణాసురుని చంపుతాడు. మనం దసరా జరుపుకుంటాము. జై భవానీ, జై జై భవానీ. దుర్గామాత మనల్ని మంచిగా చూస్తుంది.
జై భవానీ, జై జై భవానీ. తన చాలా బాగా రాసిండు, తెలుగులోనే రాసిండు. కాకపోతే గ్రామర్ అనేది ప్రాక్టీస్ లేదు తనకి, అందుకే మీకు వినడానికి కొంచెం వేరే అనిపించింది. అవునా? రీడింగ్ బాగుంది, కంటెంట్ కరెక్ట్ తీసుకోండు, కానీ ఫ్లో ఏదైతే తన తీసుకోవాలో రాలేదు. అది ఒకవేళ వచ్చి ఉంటే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది. సరేనా? నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఇంకా అది రావాలి. సరేనా?